Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. For the first half of last week, I was down in Brighton for an international English language teaching conference, an annual event which I always thoroughly enjoy. On the Wednesday, my eyes started feeling a bit weird, a bit dry, my vision started blurring slightly, they started feeling a bit gritty. I usually wear contact lenses, so that evening I had an early night, I took my contact lenses out, and on Thursday morning I woke up and my eyes had swollen up like golf balls. They were seeping and oozing all kinds of horrible liquid. They were very, very painful to open, painful to close. Every time I looked at the light, it felt like it was burning my eyes. And I decided that the best thing to do was to leave Brighton, get myself back up to London and check myself in to the A&E department at Moorfields Eye Hospital in Old Street. A&E stands for the Accident and Emergency Department. It's the part of the hospital that you go to if you've got serious injuries or some kind of life-threatening illness or something. And we usually just call it A&E. So, for example, when he was very little, when he had his first little bicycle, my son fell off one day, fell off the little bike and cracked his head open, and we had to rush him to A&E. Luckily, nothing was seriously wrong with him. My daughter broke her wrist once, climbing on a climbing frame, and we spent 5 hours in A&E waiting for her to be seen. I don't know if you knew, but sometimes when they admit old people to A&E, or when really old people are admitted to A&E, they actually put "do not resuscitate" notes on them, meaning that if they sort of suddenly have a heart attack or they're on the verge of death, the hospital decides on their behalf not to bring them back. And if you've ever spent a Friday night in A&E, you'll know that it's like a war zone in there often. It's full of people who've fallen over, smashed up their faces when they're drunk. They've been in fights, they've been stabbed, they've been glassed, they've been bottled. It's pretty horrific, especially if you're just sitting there with a child who's fallen down the stairs and fractured their wrist or something. As you can see, I'm now having to wear glasses for the next month. My eyes are on the mend. Thank God for modern science and for medicine. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see how you might use A&E.